I've been saving coins since I was in high school. I don't know what for. I didn't know for how long. I think we finally decided what we're gonna try to spend them on. We've decided to use our coins because society is all digital now. I'm saving less change and using less hard cash. I think it's time to spend the money that we've been saving for a long time. But I do want to do something first. These are coin jars. These ones are all mine, and this is Erica's. All my pennies, all my nickels, my dimes, and my quarters. I did always want to fill this, but I've been saving these for years, and I'm only a little bit of the way up, and I'm getting less and less quarters now that my money just goes straight into my bank account. When I did start saving coins, I always was curious because every time I got a new quarter, there was like a different state on it, and I was like, I have to have all of the states by this point. So before we spend the money, I want to know if we have all 50 states in at least quarters.
Our plan today is to count all of the money, roll it up, and hopefully it should be enough to get ourselves a drone.
We've been talking about getting a drone forever, but we never wanted to spend the money on it. But I think finally it's time to utilize these coins.
Let's get counting. Tried to make a map of the US, but that did not work. Utah.
That's Nevada.
No, Utah's above Arizona. Directly above Arizona. So this is not right.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Now we have all of the states abbreviated on this piece of cardboard. Was going to be in order, no longer in order because we ran out of room. Okay, let's freaking do this thing. We need Maine, Missouri, Wisconsin, and DC. We didn't have Texas, Montana, and Oregon for a while, and then we got all three of them at once.
Like 3 in a row.
It's crazy.
So we have 4 left to find. All we have left is Maine and DC. I saw a DC when we first started, and then I was like, oh, I don't want to start yet. I should wait for Erica. And so I put it back in the pile. But we're so close, so I just started looking through the big pile to see if I could find them.
You found a Maine. Oh.
Reenactment.
What? Did you find DC?
No, it's Maine. Now we just have DC left. I actually just found it.
You found DC?
Yeah, District of Columbia.
Oh my gosh!
Wait, so that's all of them, right?
Yeah, we have them all.
I can confirm all the state quarters do exist, so we're just gonna start counting them. Now that I know I had all the state quarters, I'm proud of myself.
We have to leave to go somewhere in like 7 minutes. And we have this many left.
6 minutes
count
left.
For right now. Obviously we're doing the rest of our coins later, so.
Wait, that's it?
This is it.
That's
This is it. We're gonna get it. Ready?
The drone we want to get is the DJI Maverick Mini 2. But we want to get the Fly More package so it can come with more batteries and stuff. So we need $600 in coins.
I think we're gonna have to count more. But I want to count all of our
Let's
coins.
see where we're at right now. This is all of my quarters first. So we'll see where we're at. So we're at $510.
Okay, wait, but I have a whole thing of quarters in there.
I know.
We'll have enough of just quarters.
You think we'll?
Yeah, oh
that's
yeah.
heavy. Oh gosh.
This, we'll probably have at least $200 in here of just quarters.
Yeah, we'll need another.
Oh, we're making
$100.
this. We're making this easy because then we still have dimes and nickels and pennies. This will be perfect. Like we will have enough quarters in here to make it to 600.
All right.
But we're gonna do that tomorrow because we literally have to leave right now to where we're going. So we're about to dump out my singular coin jar and organize it by coins and count up all the quarters before our bedtime tonight. So let's go.
We just finished counting all of the quarters, And I think we're right where we need to be. So let's double check. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
$614, that's with tax, baby.
With tax.
Let's go!
So we can afford a drone with just our quarters. We'll probably still count the other coins. We're not gonna take this to the store and make a cashier count this.
So the next step is to take this to the bank, deposit it, decide if we want to get cash for it or put it into our bank account, and then purchase the drone. I've never seen so many quarters.
You know how many Aldi's carts we could take? They moved it.
Good night.
The next day, we counted our dimes, which came to a total of $112 and some odd cents, our nickels, which came out to $35 and some odd cents, and we didn't count the pennies because who has patience and time to count pennies? With our quarters adding up to $614, this left us with a total of $761 to deposit.
I wasn't even ready. I was just like, we should do it, and then I just clicked it. I just clicked the button and it's like, thanks for your order. We're getting a drone and shipping. We couldn't buy it in a store, which is so unfortunate. We couldn't go in and pay for it in a store because everything is online now. But it is coming Wednesday, and then we'll have to go to the bank and deposit all of our coins into the bank account. On the Walmart app on my phone, the exact same package was $724, and then on the website when I'm ordering it, it was $550. I don't know why, but word for word in the exact same picture. So we got a deal, I think. I think we got a good deal. But it should be here in 2 days. No, 3 days. 3 days.
Josh went to the bank to deposit our coins, and all that's left to do is wait for Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday. Our drone is here, except I'm going to wait until Josh gets home from work to open it.
Oh, yeah.
It's so light. That's it?
Yeah, it's like
It's the lightest thing in the world.
You see how foggy it is out here? I mean, humid.
We're doing a little test in our backyard before we bring it somewhere bigger and more risky.
Let's try the land button.
That was so fun. Now, I know some of you have drones out there and you guys are used to this. That's the first time I've ever seen a drone, ever.
That was a cool experience. That was pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday, it was 90 degrees and humid, so we decided to wait till today because we knew it was gonna be cooler. The problem with it being 60 degrees out now is the cold front made it windy, so we'll get to see how it does in the wind, but it might get blown around and the batteries might die fast. So it'll be good to see how it does.
Hopped in the car real quick because it's super windy outside, but I had to say, as much fun as we're having exploring how to use this drone, the main reason why we got it is obviously so that we can get better at YouTube, give you better content that we have in the past, and ultimately show you the beautiful places that we get to see and the awesome things that we are so blessed to be able to do. So with that said, make sure you hit the subscribe button because you'll be seeing a lot more drone footage from this point on. So anyways, see you next week.